In this video, we're going to familiarize ourselves with the user interface of the new Moodle 3.3. This is the homepage of UB Online, and there are essentially three sections to the screen that you need to be aware of. First, the header bar up here in blue, and that contains the UB icon in the corner here that will always take you back to the homepage or to your dashboard page. The hamburger icon, which will toggle the navigation drawer open and closed. Open, closed. Notice that it changes to an arrow in order to close the drawer back. Then you have the full screen icon, which allows you to view the Moodle site in full screen mode. Course listing icon, or menu item, sorry, which will list all of the courses on the site. And over on the right, you have your personal icons, and those would be your messages, your notifications, I don't have any, your profile, and you can adjust it using any of these items here, and your chat icon in the very corner, which will open and close the chat window. In the main window, we have some basic information about UB Online, and at the very bottom, a listing of courses that you will see if you have logged in as an authenticated user. Finally, over on the left, we have the navigation bar, and you can use that either open or closed. Note that if it's closed, all you will see are the navigation icons, but by clicking on them, you can go to any of the choices that you want to just by selecting them. Let's just quickly take a look at our dashboard. So this is my dashboard, and in the dashboard window, there are basically two views. One, the timeline view, which shows upcoming events, and the courses view that shows all of your courses, including not just those in progress, but future and past courses as well. Notice that I have a completion or a progress wheel over here, which indicates how far I've progressed with the course. Let's take a look at the course to see what that looks like and how you can move around in that course. Actually, before we do that, just note that the notifications and calendar drawer can be opened and closed by clicking on this blue chevron in the right over here. Let's go into the course and see how it looks once we're in there. So you'll notice that the courses in this version of Moodle, or in this theme, look quite different. Up here at the top are all the items associated with the introductory section of your course. So you have a little bit of a description up at the top, an icon here or a background image here, and then each of these are going to be describing different things about the course. All of these resources and activities would come in that introductory section in the old Moodle. Once you get down here, this is where you actually get into the content of the course. If you click on any of these, it'll take you to various different activities or resources. Okay, so this one here will give you, it's a book that gives you a basic course guide for this particular course. Let's exit that and go back to the course. Over here is just a PDF. Okay. Over here, it's documentation for Moodle. News forum. News forum is something you should remember because that allows you to post announcements to the course. Just by adding an announcement to the news forum, I would add a new announcement to the course, like this. This is my new announcement. And remember, always click the blue button at the bottom to either save or post. If I go back to my course and I open my notifications drawer, you'll see that the latest announcement is showing here, and I can click on it and I can see what it says. Down here then is the actual content of the course, and each of these items will give me an activity or a resource, and you can just click on them and see how each of these works. So let's click on the objectives. That just is a resource that describes the objectives of the course. You can always click back up at the top on the course link to get back to the course homepage. So that's how you navigate around Moodle 3.3. Really not complicated, and I hope this helps. Keep looking at more videos for other information on how to use Moodle 3.3. Bye for now.